Hi everyone, and welcome to my very special vlog today of Happy, Healthy and Hungry for More. I celebrated my 50, my half century on 16th of June, and it has been a truly special day. This is a special vlog which is a dedicatory vlog, so thanking all my family, my friends, whoever have wished me on my birthday. I'm not really big on birthdays. I don't celebrate birthdays, or rather I celebrate birthdays in a very quiet way, usually with mom, and I was expecting to do it the same way, keeping in mind the COVID season, and until I got a call from my brother the previous night of my birthday saying that Vidika, take off from work because I planned something special for you, and special it truly was. So this is a vlog where I'm dedicating to all and everyone, each one of you, even if I miss out names, please don't mind it, that has helped make my day very special. So first of all, my family, mom, I love you, you know it. Anisha and Shivu, who have made it so special with decorating their house and inviting me to their house, and the food that they prepared, so thank you so much, with all the cake, the ice cream, the gulab jamun. Thank you, and I'm very touched. And Viju, Bavaji, Aditya, Arvind, my who have given me so much, who have shared with me so much, supported me so much. I don't know, I cannot thank you enough. I just want to say I love you all. And my son Trinek, Ashwin, we have our arguments, but you still made it, though a little late for my birthday, so just want to say that I love you, son. To all my friends right from school, everybody who has wished me, and I want to just say a big thank you, because I love the banter on WhatsApp that we shared, and Beena, to all those morning wishes, they are so meaningful. I really enjoy, and it really makes or sets my good mood for the day. So thank you so much everyone for having wished me well on my 50th. My PUC friend, in fact I got in touch with a friend from PUC days, Sangeeta Ramakrishnan. Hi to you. I was so excited receiving your friend request on Facebook. Thinking back, I always wanted to get in touch with you and just wasn't able to do it. So I'm so excited about getting in touch with you. I will call you up soon, or you can call me too. And to all my friends from college, MGM College, Prashant, Nayana, Laveen, Clara, and Vanita, Geeta, Dennis, all of you. And I'm sure if you knew it was my birthday, you would have all wished me, and you would have gone out probably in the CS. That treat is pending. To of course my family, the Varad Bhatt grandchildren WhatsApp group. Gokul Bhaji, you made me a birthday bakra, so you're going to get it someday back, okay? But yes, it was, I was a little embarrassed, I would have to say that. And just something that I understood is that I need to loosen up a bit. I'm a little too serious. Yes, I know that. Okay, and who else? And everybody else who has wished me. My work colleagues. So a big thank you to Sneha. I have to say that I have to thank her for this specific reason, that of late I've been very fond of all things South Korean, right from the dramas to the programs called as Korean Dost, and all those K-pop groups, BTS and Unique and Shiny and Incredible India, the program that I watched. So she knows that I'm a little, obsessed about South Korean things, and she got me this beautiful mug which had all these South Korean the words, right from Ajushi to Namja to Yoja to Sarange. So I just want to say Sarange to you too. I love you too. And all the people in college who have wished me, who wish me well, and Lakshmi, thank you so much. You also have been a huge support to me in this college, along with so many other people. So big thank you to you too, to you all. And Last but not the least, I would also like to share with you a small quote from this book that I'm reading. This is an 8-liner. The book is called as The Universe of Us by Lang Leaf, and I would like to read this 8-liner where I tweaked it a little bit to suit me, and it says, "My time." I'm going to read it out to you. I have been feeling it for a while, this sense of awakening. There is a gentle rage simmering inside me, and it is getting stronger by the day. I will hold it close to me. I will nurture it and I will let it grow. I will not let anyone take it away from me. It is my rocket fuel, and finally I am going places. I can feel it down to my very core that this is my time. I will not only climb mountains, I will also move them too. So with this, I will just say a big thank you for all the love, for all the affection, for all the good wishes that you have so warmly shared with me, and made my day truly, truly special. Love you all. Thank you so much. Bye.